Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the spell check on your computer. So as you guys can see right now, I have some errors in my Microsoft Word document. You can see the lines showing red and blue. So to turn this on or off, just head over to File at the top corner of your screen. Then you want to head over and click on Options. And then once you have the Options menu open for you, head over and click on Proofing. Then scroll all the way down, and then you find options here that say check spelling as you type, mark grammar error as you type. So you just want to uncheck this and then head over and click on OK. And then once you've done this, you notice that the check spell errors on your Microsoft Word document has been removed for you. Alright guys, that's all for this quick and easy tutorial. If you found the video helpful, make sure you leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful day.